your experience doing this stuff? Would you like to see more of this, or you want me to just keep coming once a year?
Yeah.
साल में एक बार टाइम होना चलता है.
Definitely. All right.
Maybe you can organize a cricket match and some other games.
Team games. Team games.
I'm sure there are, I mean, like they had the trip, off-site trip, they went to Jodhpur. Udaipur. There are a lot of team activities there. I'm sure there will be a lot of others.
Next time when maybe you are here, you can also join us.
That depends on if the timing works out. Next trip for me will probably be in January. Let's ask some of the new